Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ray and welcome here in our channel where we provide you with different information in the crypto market. Today we are going to talk about the bearish divergence that is forming in the 1 day time frame of Bitcoin. All right, now let's go to our chart and let's make our monitor a little bit bigger. Okay, so there you can see it. All right. Now, again, for those of you guys who are not familiar on how to add an indicator, all you need to do is just to click this one here in Trading View and then type the word RSI. Okay, so we will be needing this one. All right. Now, once we've done this, all you need to do is to change the settings and change this one and make it a little bit bigger so you can see it properly. Now, if you're going to plot an arrow at the current price of Bitcoin, let's do that one. Okay, from here going here, and then this one as well, from here going here. All right, there you go. As you can see, it is giving us a different direction. In this part here, the prices are going up, okay, while in this part here, the RSI is going down. Now, this is what we call a bearish divergence. Now, what is a bearish divergence? Now, according here, bearish divergence signify a potential downtrend when price rally to a new high while the oscillators refuses to reach a new peak. Just like what is happening here. It is not forming a new peak. All right. Now, let's continue. According here, in situation like this, bulls are losing their grip on the market and prices are rising only as a result of inertia. And the bears are ready to take control of the market again. All right, so it means, okay, if we are seeing an uptrend here, sooner or later, we will also be seeing a potential downtrend in the market. Now, in order for us to fully understand this, let us look at the different examples that we have here. Let's look at the previous charts. Okay, we have some bearish divergence here. Okay, for this one, let's plot it here, going here, it's going up. While the RSI, if we are going to plot it from this one going here, it is going down. And what happened next after that? The prices of Bitcoin went down. Okay, so that is one example. Now let's try to find more. All right, so just like this one, the prices are going up while the RSI is going down. And what happened next? The prices of Bitcoin retrace back to the support levels. Okay, so another example. Okay, with this one, prices are going up while the RSI is going down. Okay, and what happened next? It retraces back again. Okay, more examples. The prices are going up while the RSI is going down. Okay, and what happened next? The prices fell down and formed a bear market here. So as you can see, guys, if there is a presence of what we call bearish divergence, then sooner or later, we will be seeing a decline in the prices of the market. Now, this could materialize after a few days, a few weeks, or a few months. It depends, okay? But the main thing here is it is slowly losing its momentum. Now, the question here for Bitcoin, is it going to happen after the Bitcoin halving, or is it going to happen before the Bitcoin halving? So no one knows, okay? But the main point here is that if you are planning to enter the market again at its current prices or at its current level, be sure to put a stop loss or a cut loss just in case that the prices would retrace in the next few days. And where are the possible areas for it to bounce back? I'm looking at these levels right here. So I'm looking at this one, okay? The golden areas of our Fibonacci retracement. All right? So these are the prices that you are going to look at. And for example, the prices would fall down here in this box or inside the box. then it is still very good because there is still a potential bounce for that. Okay? But if the price of Bitcoin would break past this golden area of the Fibonacci retracement, then it could signify a potential bear trend. Doesn't matter if it is just a temporary bear trend or if it will be a longer bear trend. But the point is, sooner or later, the bears will take over. All right? So that is for the update here in Bitcoin. I hope you learned something from this one. This is just a short video, but yeah, I hope you learned a lot. So thank you so much again for watching and see you guys in our next videos. Peace out.